Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very yummy spaghetti. So the water is already boiling, so I go in with the spaghetti. Please do not break your spaghetti, just leave it like this. So you cover it and allow it to cook. The next thing is to go in with cooking oil in your pan to fry the turkey I'm using. I'm the only one eating this food, so I'm using just one turkey. It has been marinated with green paste. I'll drop the link of the marinade of the green paste here so that you see how it's done. Then just fry it because it's soft turkey, so it doesn't need to cook or fry for long before it gets done. Voila, it's done. So we'll move to the next stage, which is to put another oil in the pan. Go in with the onions. This recipe is all about building flavors. Go in with the onions, be generous with it, then go in with the ginger and garlic. Be generous with it. I don't know why some people don't like ginger and garlic in their food. If you're one of them, you're really missing. This is just the best way to build your flavor while cooking. So you keep frying on your low heat. Then you go in with your dried and smoked or smoked and dried catfish. You go in with it and add water. I realized I was burning at this point, so I needed to add little water to it to keep on building the flavor. Do this on a low heat, not very low heat, but just on low heat. Then you go in with the green paste, the odogo itself. I'll leave the link up here to show you how I made the paste. Then go in with the crayfish. Yeah, Cameroon pepper. At this point, you really do not have to do much, to be honest. If you watch the video of the green paste, you'll know what I'm talking about. So you go in with your seasoning and salt. Then I'll I want to make sure the turkey cooked really well, so that's why I had to add it again to cook it with this paste. Cover and allow to cook. Try this recipe. I mean, this green paste spaghetti recipe. You will never go back to your tomato jollof spaghetti. This is a game changer. At this point, the sauce is done, so I went in with my already cooked spaghetti. I think the spaghetti is cooked like 90% or 95%. I like adding the spaghetti water in my pasta. I mean, in my jollof spaghetti. So this is what I'm doing here. I added just little. The reason I add it most of the time is to have that moist. You know, the water is already starchy. So if you add it to the spaghetti, you get that moist because the water will integrate with the sauce and you get that juicy moisture. Yeah, that's that. So you cover it and allow it to cook for some time, probably 5 minutes or so. Our spaghetti is ready here. I'm not even trying to praise myself, but this turned out really good. It's different. If you taste it, you see that it's just different from what you've been having. It takes you to another world entirely. Please try it. You don't really need much, just the green paste. Check the recipe and you see how I made it. Please do not forget to engage, like my video and subscribe to my channel. You can also let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this. Bye.